Take a ride in the 2006 VUE. The VUE is stylish outside, while inside is a versatile cabin that offers several alternatives for hauling people or cargo. The interior is attractive and European in styling, modern and classy, with comfortable seats, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.